Welcome children in bio class. Now today I am going to teach you next plant hormone cytokinins. Cytokinins are plant growth hormones. Cytokinins were discovered by G. Haberland. The cytokinins stimulate cytokinesis. Children, you know cytokinesis is division of cytoplasm. During cell division, there is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. So cytokinins stimulate cytokinesis. Therefore, name of this hormone was given cytokinin. Cytokinins are found in roots, young leaves, and developing fruits. Cytokinins are synthesized in the root apex, and cytokinins are transported to the other part of the plant through xylem. Chemically, cytokinins are derivatives of purine nitrogenous base. You have studied in the nucleic acid, purine and pyrimidines are found. In the purines are adenine, so cytokinins are derivatives of adenine. The physiological function of cytokinins are: first, it increases the cell division. So cytokinin promote cell division so that growth occurs by the cell division. Second function is delay of senescence. Senescence, that is the aging, and there is the death of the plant. But cytokinins act as anti-senescence. It means there is no aging in the plant, there is no breakdown of chlorophyll, nucleic acid, and protein in the cells of the plant. That's why these cytokinins hormones help in the nutrient mobilization and rejuvenation response. Rejuvenation response means if cytokinins are applied, then old leaves also look like young, because it stops the breaking of the chlorophyll, nucleic acid, and protein or other substances. Other role of the cytokinins are flowering and sex expression. It initiates flowering in long day plants, and it changes the sex of the flower also. Cytokinins break seed dormancy. Dormancy of seed broken by the cytokinins, and it promotes the germination of seed. Morphogenetic effect of cytokinins are when auxins and cytokinins are mixed together in a definite ratio and applied, then it will initiate the roots and buds. Next plant hormone is abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is natural growth inhibitor. So, as I told, gibberellin is the growth hormones, but this abscisic acid is growth inhibitors. Therefore, abscisic acid and gibberellins, they are antagonistic. Means what is the work of abscisic? That is opposite to the gibberellins. Abscisic acid was discovered by E.H.R. H.R. Corns and Endicott. They isolated abscissin from the plant tissue, and this substance accelerate leaf fall. So leaf fall is called abscission, detachment of the leaves from the plant. Therefore, its name was given as abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is found in the plant. Its presence has been detected in variety of the plant organs such as stem, leaves, buds, fruits, and seeds. Abscisic acid play very important role in the life of the plant. It acts on growing system and inhibits cell division and cell elongation or cell extension. Abscisic acid is also known as growth hormone because it stimulates the closure of stomata and increase the tolerance of the plant to various kinds of stresses. So, under stress environmental condition such as salinity or strong winds is there, then also this plant can survive, and this abscisic hormones, abscisic acid help the plant to survive under stress condition. Therefore, this hormone is called stress hormone. I told it inhibits the function of gibberellic acids, and therefore it is also known as antagonistic hormone of gibberellic acid. So it is antagonistic to gibberellins. Other function of abscisic acid is it accelerates abscission and senescence of leaves. It inhibits flowering in long day plants. It promotes closing of stomata, inhibit stem elongation, and abscisic acid inhibits long day plant to bolt and flower